Install the CMS running software on the computer terminal. We provide ESHA software for the client to install. Click to install and run. Install on the computer. Click CMS Run to run as an administrator. When the CMS is running, this IP address page appears. Copy this IP address to the browser web page to enter and operate. Log in to the operation release page with the unified password account. Enter the program release page to edit the program content. Click on the device list, manage, and name the digital signage screen. When modifying the IP address on the server, it is the same as the IP address on the computer page. The IP address in the video is only displayed for reference. The specific IP address shall be based on the IP address of each user's computer. The screen settings and operation have been completed. Return to the PC terminal again to edit and publish the program content. After the file upload is completed, can proceed with the release. The operation page allows you to edit pictures, videos, and other content.